Welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, we are looking at a subtopic under Dalton's atomic theory. If you're joining us for the first time, we welcome you specially. This is a place where we learn the basics of chemistry step by step. Please do well to check our previous video. So get your writing materials and let's get started. In our previous class, we looked at the definition of Dalton's atomic theory and the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. In today's lesson, we are looking at the limitations of Dalton's atomic theory. You can as well say modern discoveries. Now, as important as Dalton's atomic theory is, there are limitations to this theory. Let's look at these limitations. Number one limitation: atoms are divisible into subatomic particles, protons, neutrons, and electrons. Remember, Dalton's atomic theory states that matter is made up of tiny, indivisible particles called atoms. But now, modern discovery is saying that atoms are not indivisible. Rather, they can be divided into subatomic particles known as protons, neutrons, and electrons. Number two limitation: atoms of the same element may have different masses. As you can see, the same element, carbon, has a mass of 12, 13, and 14, and this is known as isotopes. Number three, atoms of different elements can have the same mass. Atoms of different elements can have the same mass, and this is known as isobars. Number four, atoms can be created or destroyed in nuclear reactions. So in nuclear reactions, atoms can be created or destroyed. Now let's look at the importance of Dalton's atomic theory. Number one importance: it laid the foundation of modern atomic theory. Number two, it helped scientists explain chemical reactions. Number three, it explains how elements combine to form compounds. So, Dalton's atomic theory laid the foundation of modern atomic theory. It helped scientists explain chemical reactions, and it explains how elements combine to form compounds. So we'll be stopping here in this lesson. But before we go, as usual, let's look at some questions. Number one question: which of the following is a postulate of Dalton's atomic theory? Number one, atoms are made up of positively charged particles. B, atoms of the same element are identical in mass and properties. C, atoms can be divided into smaller particles. D, different elements have the same kind of atoms. Which of the following is the postulate of Dalton's atomic theory? The correct answer is B. Atoms of the same element are identical in mass and properties. Number two, which of the following is not a limitation of Dalton's atomic theory? A, it could not explain the existence of isotopes. B, it failed to explain the structure of the atom. C, it could not account for ions and ion formation. D, it could explain chemical reactions perfectly. The correct answer is D. So, which is it could explain chemical reactions perfectly, and that is not a limitation of Dalton's atomic theory. Others are limitations like A, it could not explain the existence of isotopes. It is a limitation. It failed to explain the structure of the atom. It's a limitation. But D, it could explain chemical reactions perfectly, is not is not a limitation. Number 3, you try this number 3. Which modern discovery showed that Dalton's idea that atoms are indivisible is not completely correct? Which modern discovery showed that Dalton's idea that atoms are indivisible is not completely correct? A. Isotopes. B. Subatomic particles, that is protons, neutrons, and electrons. C. Compounds. D. Molecules. So you try this and leave your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, and share with someone. You can actually be helping that child that is always complaining that chemistry is hard by sharing this piece of video with someone. Thank you for staying to this point. We'll see you in our next lesson. Bye.